Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by parking the car in shade and on level ground for safety. Clean the hood with soap and water, then dry completely with a microfiber towel. Inspect the chip closely and press around the edges to find loose paint. Remove loose paint and rust with a 400 grit sandpaper until edges are smooth. Wipe the area with isopropyl alcohol and let it dry for 5 minutes. Mask surrounding panels with tape and paper, leaving a 3.5-inch margin around the chip. Choose an automotive epoxy primer and a matching OEM touch-up paint for best results. Shake the touch-up paint bottle for 60 seconds before opening to ensure uniform color. Apply a thin coat of epoxy primer with a fine brush or toothpick and allow 15 minutes to tack between coats. Build primer to level with surrounding paint in 2 thin passes rather than 1 thick pass. Apply the touch-up paint in thin layers until it sits just level with the original surface. Let the paint dry for 20 to 30 minutes between layers. After the touch-up paint cures, wet sand to blend the repair into the hood surface smoothly. Start with 1,500 grit wet sandpaper and finish with 2,000 grit while keeping a constant water flow. Wipe dry and apply 2 light clear coat layers with a foam brush or spray, waiting 10 minutes between coats. Let the entire repair cure for 24 hours before polishing. Polish with a fine compound, using a 16:9 pad, for 1 to 2 minutes to restore gloss and protect the finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.